I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make shrimp tacos. First, let's prepare our star ingredient, the shrimp. You'll want about 1 pound of raw shrimp peeled and deveined. Make sure to thaw them completely if frozen and pat them very dry with paper towels. This helps them sear beautifully. Next, season your shrimp generously with a blend of spices like chili powder, cumin, paprika, and a touch of garlic powder plus salt and pepper. This creates a fantastic flavor base for your tacos. Now let's create the vibrant slaw and creamy sauce that elevate these tacos. For the slaw, simply combine about 2 cups of finely shredded cabbage with a 1/4 cup of fresh cilantro. It adds a wonderful crunch and freshness. For the sauce, whisk together a 1/2 cup of mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons of fresh lime juice, and a pinch of cayenne pepper. You can also add 1 teaspoon of your favorite hot sauce for an extra zesty kick. With our shrimp seasoned and our slaw and sauce ready, it's time to cook. Heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil in a skillet over medium-high heat. Add your seasoned shrimp and cook for just 2 to 3 minutes per side, until they turn pink and opaque. Overcooking makes them tough, so watch them closely. While the shrimp cook, warm your corn or flour tortillas in a dry skillet for about 30 seconds per side until they are soft and pliable. Now for the best part, assembling your delicious shrimp tacos. Take a warm tortilla and add a generous portion of your perfectly cooked, flavorful shrimp. Next, pile on a spoonful of that fresh, crunchy cabbage slaw we prepared earlier. Finally, drizzle a good amount of your creamy, zesty sauce over everything. Feel free to add extra lime wedges or a sprinkle of cottage cheese for an even more authentic experience. Enjoy your homemade shrimp tacos.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.